Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're in Kleinmond again. Have a look around with me. We're at the harbour right now. It's a small fishing village, also a well-populated residential town, not really industrial at all, but there are lots of restaurants and nice places to go. We'll have a look around there as well sometime. But we're surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, which means it's not all that warm. Yeah, we're right at the center of the Cape of Storms, so the sea gets cold and wild down here. I'm going to take you on a quick flyover, some very nice walks, boardwalks and grassed walks, as you see down there below. In and around the suburbs, certainly worth having a look. Make a journey out here. It's only about an hour's drive from Cape Town Airport. Over there we're looking towards Hermanus and Walker Bay. Along this marine drive ahead of us with this beautiful view. To live there, for the privilege of that, it's going to cost you about $240,000 for a 2 or 3 bedroom house. But look what you've got. Out your doorway, you walk along the footpath, it's quite safe. Lovely surroundings, amazing views as you can see. And once you have a house down there, it's only about 5 or 10 minutes walk to the local restaurant. No need to drive. In the background, the Hottentots Holland mountain catchment area. Below us we're coming back to the harbour, and that is where the fishermen go out and fish. You're going to battle with these names because South Africans might pronounce it much easier, but you would want to ask the local fishermen for a galjoen, a steenbras, a cob, and from time to time you might be lucky and get a geelbek. This is a really mild day, obviously, you can see that, but out there at the gates to the harbour, those rocks guard it against wild seas at times, and men's lives have been lost right there at that outer rock. Fishermen have drowned. Parking here is free down at the harbour. I've never come to Kleinmond and felt that it's overcrowded. There's always enough space. and the restaurants are amazing. There's plenty of choice. Obviously seafood is recommended, being so close to it. Yeah, come and have a taste. Let me take you down the avenue of Kleinmond Harbour. On your left and right there are art galleries, restaurants and various touristic sort of shops where you can buy your little mementos if you've come to visit us. On your left you can even buy old-fashioned vinyl records that might bring back some old memories. On your right there's a bookshop where you'll find some real nice treasures there too. Thanks once again for visiting the channel. Hopefully we'll see you again soon at the next episode. Cheers for now.